Hi, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center. Today I'm going to show you how to stretch your mid-back using a foam roller properly, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Let's show you a couple of things that stretching for the mid-back with a couple of notes to keep in mind. For foam roller to be used in the mid-back, you want to use it perpendicular to the spine, like that. You also don't want to start with the lumbar or lower back. You want to start from the lower portion of your mid-back and you work your way up. There are certain points to keep in mind. One is to make sure you don't have any neck injuries. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to do it. One is if you have weakness in the neck, the other one when you don't have any weakness in the neck. Once again, this is assuming you don't have issues with the lower back or your knees or your neck. And if you feel pain, you stop. The whole point of it is to stretch the mid-back and to really stretch the mid-back spine, I should say. So I'm going to start with here and tuck my chin in the whole time. And I'm going to make my knees as wide apart as my pelvis, and I'm just going to roll it up while my chin is tucked in. And then roll it down and back. So that's number one. You can put your hands here too. I like when I get to the mid-back to open this up, keep my chin tucked in if I have to. If you don't have any neck issues, you can actually open up your arms and your neck. That's a good stretching for the neck as well, but you need to make sure you don't have any neck issues. The reason I'd like to do this stretching is because all day you're sitting behind the desk and you're all like that. So it kind of opens you up, allows the chest muscles to expand, not or stretch not all the way, and that it pushes your shoulder blades too close to each other, causing other sets of problems. And it's undoing some of the damage you do behind the desk. So if you like what you saw, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this with your loved ones. This is something that everyone who sits behind the desk can use, assuming you don't have any neck issues. And also I have a Facebook page that I recommend you like and follow, where I will be doing interviews, and I have been doing interviews with experts on different health-related topics. After all, you are the designer and the director of your own life, so design and direct it the way you wish to live it. Thanks for watching.